What's up, guys? I'm at the channel. This is the 28th day we've uploaded in a row, which is tremendously incredible for me because I think the most I've ever probably done was 2 weeks, and I probably got a little off track probably by then, which was back in October, back in September, actually August, September, when we were working on the semi that you see right behind me over there. Right now I'm going to the gym. I'm just getting some stuff out of my car. My little protein bottle I got here. Oh, that's my gym shirts. I was looking for that. So taking the truck over here, getting Larry expected, the F-150. You guys don't know if you're new to the channel. Got a nice little F-150 over there, 2013. She just finally got her check engine light off. We use those little spacers. I don't know if you've ever heard of them. Little spacers go between the O2 sensors, because my father bought some aftermarket cats for this damn truck, and I'm like, I hate, listen, nothing wrong with aftermarket stuff, but catalytic converters, generally, you're better off just buying it right from the freaking dealer if you're gonna replace them, because they never work. The computer never likes them. You always end up buying, if you want the check engine light off, you have to get the actually factory one, so that's what you gotta do. But other than that, we're gonna take this get inspected, like I said, go to the gym. I'm gonna stop at Bubba. I'm trying to get some sponsorships right now, so I'm working on Bubba. I love Bubba. We'll go more into Bubba. I don't want to give them a free shout out unless we can possibly get a nice little sponsor from them. But I'll still give them a shout out as of right now. I just want to get the sponsor for them, to be honest. But yeah. So for the racing for the Danger Ranger coming up this year, and that's in October. It's always around October 12th. I know that. So yeah. So we're gonna do that. Try to get them to help sponsor it a little bit, to help out a little bit, try to get this to be a very, it can never be like not competitive, a professional thing, because it's only one race a year, and kind of so I gotta get off from a little bit more than just that one race. So I'm gonna try to do something with Frank, maybe my pitch would be more like, oh, Danger Ranger, this, that, a couple other things, and then you got the Frank, which we can do burnouts in, which July, there's something coming in July, which is already June. I don't know if I can get it ready by then, but if I get that sponsored by them right now and they can help out with that, we can get some wrap done on it and stuff like that, and use a burnout card, do some practice burnouts and stuff in it, and upgrade that thing a lot to get that thing straight for that, because I gotta do some brake work to get that actually fully functioning for that, and also probably change it to a power glide transmission, which my neighbor wants to buy my transmission that's in it now, so I might just take him up on that offer and definitely do that. So that's it. Let's head to the inspection station, get things inspected. We also got to work on, we're also gonna be working on the semi engine over there. We gotta get the front pulley off. It's been a ride, guys. It's been a freaking ride, that freaking truck. That truck was supposed to be done last August. It was in, if you guys haven't followed the channel, just battle after battle, just trying to get the new engine here, which we should have really just rebuilt the old engine. There's nothing wrong with the old engine, but sadly, it's just easier for us to just buy a new engine and well, hopefully not rebuild it. To do all that, because then the cost of it was all the same. It was less to buy the new engine, new used engine, let's just say, than to actually build the other engine. So I would love to, if anyone's looking for an engine, like if you guys own diesel shops like that and you guys want to buy this engine, the old engine, please let me know. Like I said, just comment down below or email me, whatever it is. I email should be in the thing. Just let me know if you're actually interested or not. Yeah, sadly the check engine light came on, so yeah, those little spacers for your O2 sensors, are they worth it? Maybe. I guess if you can get the right time window of when you can get to the inspection station, it works good. But right now it came back on, so I guess I'll find out on the way back home, because yesterday on the way back home is when it came off. So I was like, okay, well, take an inspection real quick today, and nope. So it came back on the way down here. So hopefully maybe it goes off on the way back home, and maybe I'll turn around real quick just to go to the inspection station. Hopefully it's not like, if I'm 3/4 way home, I'm not turning around. I'm sorry. I'm not turning around. Maybe not. I don't know. It depends. But I do want to work on the semi engine, get some of the stuff off of it, and get the we'll go over that stuff later. But yeah, we'll go to the gym for an hour, come back, we'll go to Bubba Goose, get some tacos, maybe get some tacos, maybe get 3, maybe get 2, maybe just get 1, maybe just get nothing. Who knows? But we'll get there, get back to the truck, see what happens. All right, guys, we're back home now. I'm trying to be a little quiet because I'm trying to surprise my dog. My dog always excited to see me when I get home. For anybody's dog, it's excited to see me when I get home. But I always like to try to sneak up on her because it's really hard to sneak up on her when I'm in my car, because my car, it's loud and she knows the sound of my car and she knows when I'm home. So when I'm driving this truck, she doesn't know I'm home. Usually she's standing right there at the back door, but she is not there right now. So I'm gonna go try to surprise her. Hopefully I can just slam the door open. I'll unlock the door and slam the door open. Just close this very quietly. Okay. All right, let's go see if we can surprise her and get multiply her a little bit.
Where's my baby girl? Is that my baby girl? Is that my baby girl? Yes, it is. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can I surprise you? Can I surprise you? You're just asleep. You were just all asleep. You were just all asleep and you're like, oh, I don't know what to do.
Ooh. There's no diarrhea. Oh, I thought I smelled diarrhea. She had some olive oil, which olive oil and her does not mix. Makes her have diarrhea. It's not, oh, you know what? I hate the light on, guys. I know GoPro suck with the light. Well, that's the girl. That's my baby girl. Yeah, we gotta go get my out, okay, buddy? Okay, girl? We gotta get our little buddy out. We gotta get our buddy out. Where's the my? Is that the my? Now, we have him in a cage because he's dangerous to leave out of the cage. He likes to eat things. He gets bored. He's one of those huskies who get bored. And oh, well, pepper plants are doing good. These are all Carolina Reaper, the house pepper, and the roll plants. So, but sorry, a little all traffic there. But yeah, he gets a little. You gonna come out, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? You can come out. You can come out, buddy. Yeah. So he gets in trouble with himself, and we can't really leave him out alone until he gets better with not eating things while we're home. Because when we're outside, we usually leave him. When we go outside and stuff, we leave him out of the cage. Usually he's okay. He'll get into something. At least going in and out where we can at least catch him in time usually. But we're not home for a few hours, 4 hours. Too dangerous. Don't want him to get hurt. It's more for his safety. We don't want him eating something and get him sick and all that good stuff. But let me get organized. We're gonna go out there, start working on the engine, and see what we can get done on that thing. Because I want to get the thing done and get ready to get into that truck so we hear that thing run. I want to hear it run. All right, I just had to share this guy. This is Bubba tacos. Now these things are like for 4 years, 5 years. I've been eating Bubba 1 to 3 times a week. I love them. I don't know if you guys have Chipotle. I don't know what you guys have by you. Listen, I believe this place outbeats them by a long run. For one, Chipotle doesn't have many I feel like choices of flavor. Now Bubba has a bunch of flavors you can choose from, this, that, and I just love, and everything is made in-house now. So yeah, so it's just really fresh food you can get. Right now we're gonna head outside. We're gonna just take the dogs for a quick bathroom run. They can sit on the deck as I do work on the engine. You guys coming? Let's go. All right, let's go take you out. We'll take my and then we're not going for a car ride. We're not. We're gonna try to go to the bathroom. Okay? Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, little wacko. Okay. You wanna go back in the house? Do you wanna go back in the house, girl? Alright, come on. Yes, she's very stubborn. She has her ways. Even if she has to pee sometimes, she won't even go pee. I don't know what is with her sometimes, but it's just a husky stubbornness. Hey, Come here, You gotta go bathroom? This one's a mean pooping machine / peeing machine, so he'll go whenever. I'm on you. I'm on. Over here. Over here. Come on, let's go bathroom. Alright, is that it, buddy? Is that it for you? Go back inside. Fix that with shirt. Right. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, fix it. Oh, okay, fine. It's alright. Alright, so we're gonna work on the front half first. I just uncovered the whole thing, but the backside is exposed a lot because of the oil. If you didn't see the last video on the semi and stuff, and maybe like a couple videos back, maybe. I worked on this a little bit. We got the back pan off, starter off that engine. We got this thing more to say, this I don't know what I was about to say, but I gotta say disable, but this deassembled. So we got that off. We gotta put some things off on this, like we gotta change this out for the one we have from the other engine. We gotta change this out from the other engine, only because literally, and listen, it makes no sense to me on how does a 400-mile motor have this type of issue, but maybe it's sad. I don't even believe it's a 400. Well, listen, that engine's pretty clean. Actually, I didn't see the last video as well. Behind this thing, which I'll show you guys later in the video if I can, it's pretty clean. Like the oil, there's no blackness in this. So maybe it is. I don't know. Maybe we just sat out for a while and got all this corrosion. But there's a hole right there. If you don't see that little hole here, it's black. That's a hole in this. That's not supposed to be a hole in it. So I had off the other engine. I got to put that one. Just, you know, swap them around. Not a huge deal. It's just more work than I would want to do with this engine, but gotta do what you gotta do. So we're gonna get this off. Actually, first things first, just get this thing off. That's the main thing, is getting this thing off here, because this is not the right bracket for the front of the engine. So it's all underneath there. I don't feel like I'm covering that. It's all water on it. Basically what that is a motor plate. It goes to right there. You know, see that? It goes right there. It is not the right plate for it. The right one I have underneath there already. I already took off that engine, but we gotta get this plate off to get to these two bolts here on both sides. So it sucks. What are you gonna do about it? They don't make life easy. So you gotta take all this stuff off, but this stuff is like seized down there. So I can get a pry bar and try to break these things off, basically, literally. That movement, okay, that looks like it moved a little bit. There's this plate right here that I don't get what this is, because I don't think it was on the old engine. It might have been, may not been, I don't know. But we'll find out. Alright guys, so this is what I got going on here. So I just gotta break this freaking thing loose. Whoa! Holy crap! I can't believe I got that on camera. Well, I got that thing off finally. Now, it looks like I got the stupid pulley off, which is still deeply on that crank. Alright, well, you're next, dude. You weren't easy last time I did this either. All right, I think I found a strategy here. I think I did. Let's try to do it again. Hammer back here. There we go. We got something going there. Oh, listen, I moved a hell of a lot more. Oh my God. There we go. After all of that. Oh, all right, well, we got that off. That was hell. Hey, I don't know why it takes so long to get this thing off, but they see themselves on there and you just can't get them off. But so what I got going on here now is we're gonna have to get these 3 bolts off here. I'm gonna get the old new one and throw it on here, so that's all finished up. I don't know if I want to throw that on yet. I gotta make sure that those are interchangeable because there might be a balancing thing, but I'm not sure. I don't think so, but you never know. Up goes that. All right, so we got the thing all on here. We just got to do 75 foot-pounds on all those bolts, 6-degree turn, and then that'll be pretty much set for these bolts here. And then it's starting to get late. I think it took me like 2 hours to get that pulley off. Like all that work for just trying to get those pulleys off. I don't know why it took long on the other engine. But if we can, we're gonna try to get through here a little bit more. But if not, it's just gonna be another video, another day. So sadly, but it's what it is. It's almost dinner time. I gotta get dinner going for the family. So it's what it is, guys. You know how life is. So. All right, that's all torqued. And degree to 60, about 60 degrees, we'll say.